last class, in last class, we have posted our first document. Okay, that is cash account debit to capital account. Now we are going to post second document today. Okay, we are going to post second document today, that is rent account debit to cash account. And in last class we have used the T code called, FB50. Okay, now I'm going to use the T code FB01, and you observe what is the difference between FB50 T code and FB01 T code. Okay, so FB50, in single screen you get your header information of the document and line item information, both you are able to get. But if you use the FB01, it is two screen journal entry, means header will be in one screen and line item will be in another screen. Okay, so let us see is practically connect it. So FB50, first I'll show you. So in FB50 screen, this is your header information. In this header information, you have header also and you have line item also. See, header and line both are in single screen. That's the reason we say it is enjoy screen or enjoy T code. Okay, because it is very easy. Now open another screen, another session, go to FB01. In FB01 you can see header is here, but line item is not there, only header is there. Okay, so it has two screen. Now let us enter the date. So see the date, this is the date 0508. Go here, type 0508 2024. Copy this one and paste here. Give the document type here, yes, say. Give your company code. Posting period automatically derives from the posting date. Give the currency. Okay, now you can give here some information. Let's say you can type like rent paid. Okay, or what you are paying here, rent paid. Now go to here below. Now whenever you post, see here posting key rule you have to understand a little bit. See here in the FB50, posting key was automatically picking. You are just entering here, but here you have to choose the posting key. So one rule you have to understand, posting key, and this always remember, okay, this posting key concept. In posting key, if it is customer related posting, then 01 to 09 you have to use for the debit posting. If you want to debit the customer, then any of the posting key, either 01, 02, 03, 04 to 09 you can use to post customer as a debit. Ram account debit, Sam account debit, okay, Reliance account debit, whoever is your customer. If you want to debit the customer, then you have to use posting key 01 to 09. If you want to credit the customer, then you have to use 11 to 19, always credit. This is the fundamental rule, always. In any report, anywhere, if you see 01 to 09, you should immediately trigger in your mind that it is a customer line item and it is a debit customer line item. If you see any report 11 to 19, posting key, it should trigger in your mind that it is a customer line item, but it is a credit customer line item. Okay, similarly go for vendor. Vendor 21 to 29, it is a debit. If any report you see and you see there that posting key is 21 to 29, it should trigger in your mind that it is a vendor line item and it is vendor debit line item. Okay. If you see 31 to 39, then it should still trigger in your mind that it is vendor line item, but it is credit vendor line item. Okay. See here, then another GL. When you are posting GL to GL, okay, debit also GL, credit also GL. Then 40 have to choose for debit, 50 have to choose for credit. Okay, so 40 have to choose for debit and 50 have to choose for credit. Okay, if it is asset accounting, you are posting any asset accounting, let's say building account debit, furniture account debit, any asset accounting asset, then 70 is equal to debit, 25 is equal to credit. Okay, so this fundamental rule you have to understand about the posting key. Now we are in our scenario, we are going to post the GL to GL. Why GL to GL? Because see here in your journal entry, if you see here in journal entry, it is rent is also GL, cash is also GL. There is no customer, there is no vendor, there is no asset. Asset means there is no machine for fixed asset. Okay, there is no machine, furniture, building. It is just GL to GL. So if it is not customer, it is not vendor, it is not asset, if it is not material, then it is GL to GL. Then you have to use to post. This is in debit, so you have to use the posting key 40. This is in credit, you have to use posting key 50. You have to always remember 40 is debit for GL, 50 is credit for the GL. So that is what you have to choose here. If you come here in this screen, you have to type here 40. Either you first give credit line item or debit line item, it is not a problem. Okay, either debit first or credit first, not a problem. But here I'm giving debit first. So this is the posting key. You can select from drop down also. Here drop down is there. You can select it here. So see here 01. C means it is customer and D means debit. Okay, D means debit. See here customer 1 2. See here where is it 9. See here customer debit. This ABCD you leave it. Okay, so again you see here 11 to 19 customer, this side it is credit. Okay, so this is what I have given. Now see for vendor. Vendor see here 21. B means vendor. This is B means vendor. Debit. D means debit. Okay, you can see from here. Account type means B means vendor and debit credit. D means debit, C means credit. So vendor 21 to 29. See it is vendor is debit. 31 to 39 vendor credit. 31 to 39 vendor credit. Now GL. See G means GL. GL 40 debit, 50 credit. Okay. So I am debiting first GL. So I selected 40. Which GL I have to debit? I have to debit rent account debit. So select my rent GL. Go here, drop down, select, click on this drop down. Okay, give company code, hit enter. Select your rent account. This is the rent account. Okay. Then this is used for the special GL transaction. This is transaction type. As of now, it is not applicable for you. Now hit enter. See what it is telling. Period is not open. 08 period is not open for GL account type. Yes. Let us see it. Why it is not open. Open another screen. Go to OB52. Posting period variant is USPB. Okay. Open here 1 to 12 period. Save it. Now come here and let me close this one now. Come here, you are getting error. Now hit enter. See, now line item related information you are getting in the second screen. In first screen, it was just header information and a given posting key and account number. See, all other line item detail is coming in the second screen. Give here amount. How much amount you are posting? Salary account 1000. Give here 1000. Hit enter. See, this is the error you are getting. Keep this error in your mind. Always you'll get this error. Okay. And what is the solution for this? Let me open another screen. 1 minute. My baby is crying. Okay. Now listen very carefully. I'm opening another screen. I'm going to GL master. I'm going to this error you will get only for the PNL GL. If you are using any PNL GL, either it is expense or revenue, then only you'll get this error. Any expense or revenue GL, if you have created with primary P, if you have created with P, okay, if you have created with P, listen very carefully. Babes, you have to listen very carefully. For Durga, anyway, I'm going to take training. If any GL you have created with P, primary cost or revenue, then for this GL, entering the cost center is a mandatory. Entering the cost center is a mandatory. So when you get error like this, requires an account assignment. It means that it is asking you to enter the cost center. It is asking you to enter the cost center. So you'll always get this kind of error. It means that you have to enter the cost center. I'm not talking about all other cost subject because you're in very beginning stage. I'm not going to tell you can give internal order, you can give WBS, you can give COPA not. As of now, you think that you have to give the cost center. So whenever you get this kind of error, keep in your mind that you have to give the cost center. Okay. Why it is asking cost center? Because this GL you have created as a primary cost element. Means you have created this one. If you create any GL with this P, then it will ask you to enter the cost center. So enter here cost center. Go and drop down, select drop down. Hit enter. So this is the cost center you have created. Double click on this one. Now hit enter. See that error gone. So debit you enter. Debit 40 you enter. This account debit you are entering debit how much 1000 rupees. Now enter here credit again 50. What credit is equal to cash account. Cash account. Sorry here cash account. Okay. 2000. Sorry amount is 2000 but I given 1000. So see how to okay here only. So give 2000 here. Okay, give 2000. I will talk about how to do correction. Let's say you given wrong amount and you want to do correction. So I'll teach you everything. Now give 2000 here. Remove this one. Just enter 2000. So you enter 2000 because this is our journal entry. You're posting this journal entry. Rent account. Please focus on Excel also. See, I oversight, but you have not corrected me. It means that you are not focusing on the Excel. Focus on Excel. Your heart, soul should be in class. So rent account debit amount is 2000. Now cash account credit 2000. So to credit the cash, I am giving here 50. 50 is equal to credit. Give here cash account. Select and drop down. Hit enter. Select here cash account. Hit enter again. So this is the cash account. This is the cash account. Credit cash account. Give here also 2000. Okay. Since it is a balance sheet GL, entering cost center is not required. And see, this is the mandatory field. See here, if anything you get like this, it is a mandatory field. Babes, from where it is controlled? Why this field is mandatory? From where it is controlled?
Field status variant, sir. You
Hmm.
make entry as a required text. That's
Yes,
why uh, here text is required mandatory.
exactly. So there is configuration in the backend. Field status variant have field status group. Field status group has link with this GL. So this GL is behaving based on whatever field status group linked to this GL. So you'll understand. Now give here text. Text you can type this one. Being rent paid. Take this one. Go here. Okay. Now if you have any many more debit and credit line item, you keep on entering it. Okay. You can keep on entering it. Now click, go to here, document. Click on simulate button. Simulate. So you can see the entry. So this is the journal entry you are posting. This is the line item 1. This is line item 2. Line item 1, you are debiting 40 rent account. You have entered this GL. This GL has this description. Rent account debit 2000. It is in positive. So debit will always show as a positive. Cash account credit. Okay, it is in minus 2000. When debit and credit matching, see here, debit total, credit total. This is total. Debit total, credit total. Then it should be 0. Okay, it should be 0. Now you can click on this button. Click on this button. It is known as a post. Post it. Okay, document got posted. Babes, from where this document number is getting generated?
From FBN1N, we have document type essay, and
Hmm,
we create 1000 to 199 in that
hmm.
table.
Great, great. So in FBN1, we have mapped the number range against the document type essay. From there, it is picking. Okay, good, good. Now let us display the document. Click on this button, go to display. So this is how you can see. Now let us go to first our finsc underscore ledger, and let us see how based on the configuration how our ledger value is updating and how our currency value is updating. Okay, so we'll go to finsc underscore ledger. Go to here. Go to here. Select your 0L. Go to here. Go to here. Take position. Select US80. So for your US80 company code, you are using four currency: 110, 30, Z5 and Z6. 10 is equal to your company code currency, that is USD. 30 is equal to your group currency, that is also have used as a USD. Z5 we have used as a euro currency, and Z6 we have used as a Turkey currency. Okay, if you want to check, then you can check also here. Go to here, currency conversion. Go to US80. So Z5 is equal to Turkey currency. So let me type here. So we'll verify this one. Come here. 10 is equal to our company code currency, that is USD. 30 is your group currency, that is also USD. Z5 is your Turkey currency. Z6 your euro currency. Okay, this is what we have configured.
Harry, can you quickly check the Z6? Probably it will be AUD.
AUD. Okay, let me check it. G6 is showing euro.
Okay.
Ravi.
Okay. Probably. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, right. So I'm giving euro. Okay, so these are the currency we are using. It means that in whichever currency you post the transaction, you can get the value in USD, in USD, in Turkey currency and euro currency. Now let us validate either you have really got the value in this four currency or not. Okay, so first we'll go and check in the ACDOCA, then I'll go to BSEG. So I'm going to ACDOCA / yen SC16 yen ACDOCA. And if possible, please remember this technical field name. Okay, HSL, KSL, these are the currency field name. See, start from here. So these are the currency name. Okay, there are total 10 currency and these are the technical name. Remember at least 2-3 currency, try to remember. Okay, I'll tell you which are the currency. One, this is very important, group currency and company code currency and document currency. At least 3 currency field if you remember. What happened during the conversation time with the ABAPer, it become easy for you. Okay, now I'm running. Let's say I'm going to enter the document number which you have posted. We have posted this document number. So I'm going to here and I'm giving this document number. I'm giving the company code and I'm running the report. Okay, run it. Click on this execute button. Okay, so this got posted in 2 ledgers because we have used 2 ledger. One is a leading ledger, so for leading ledger debit and credit, for local ledger debit and credit. Now let us see here currency. First it is telling what are the currency have used. Okay, so this is business transaction currency. I have posted a transaction in USD. So I have posted my document currency is USD. I have posted the transaction in USD. So it is showing USD here. That is absolutely right. Okay, this is also my transaction currency. Both are same. This is my company code currency. See here, company code currency is USD. 10 is a company code currency, that is USD. This is my group currency, that is global currency, that is 30, that is also USD. Then this is my functional currency. If I don't give any value here in the FinSC underscore ledger, then company code currency is considered as a functional currency. So I will discuss maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow in more detail about the functional currency. So see here, if I don't give any currency, then company code currency 10 is equal to your functional currency. Okay, if I specify here other currency other than 10, if I specify either 10 or don't specify, it will consider 10 as a functional currency. But if I specify 30, then it will update 30 as a functional currency. Okay, is it clear, right? At least, is it clear, right? Functional currency as of now,
Yes,
what I
yes,
told.
yes, sir.
Okay, this is freely definable first currency. So this is your first freely definable currency. First, this one Z5. Okay, first, see, freely definable currency 1 is Z5. Z is equal to Turkey. So if you see here, Turkey got updated here. See Turkey. Okay, freely definable currency second, that is your euro. See here, euro. Freely definable currency to Z6, that is your euro. So euro got updated. So it means that currency is updating correctly. Now check their value. So from here to here, it is just currency symbol updating. Their value updating will start here. So all other thing you can see. So value you can see here. This is the value it is updating. So amount is business transaction. That is nothing but amount is transaction currency or document currency. Then amount in company code currency, amount in group currency, amount in functional currency, amount is first freely defined currency, that is your Turkey currency, and this is your euro currency. Clear, right? Hello.
Clear, clear.
No doubt, right? So
Yeah.
now if you go to BSEG, in BSEG, only these three currency value will update it. Let me go to again here. So BSEG, let me go little like this. So these three currency are known as a BSEG currency. So right now they have given 10 and 30. So only 10 and 30 value you can see in the BSEG currency. Other than document currency, any document currency will be there. I'm not talking about document currency. So if you post it in USD, you can get the value in the company code currency, you can get the value in the group currency, but you will not get the value in the Turkey currency and in euro. Z5 and Z6 value will not get in the BSEC currency, BSEC table, because user defined currency value it will not update in the BSEC. So whatever currency give here, 1, 1, 2, 3, only these three currency value it will update in the BSEC table. So while giving here, user defined currency will not come here. Only standard currency value you can give here. So here I have given 10, 30. If I use any other currency, only standard currency value I can give here. So only this currency value it will update into BSEC. Okay, now let us go and check in the BSEC table. Is it clear, right? First of all, the concept, is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Clear, na? No doubt, right?
Yeah.
Tirthesh, do you have anything to ask?
Sir, in the
No, sir.
in the third currency, can we directly type 40 there now?
No, until you give front, it will not allow. So here you have to give 40, then only it will allow you to select there.
Okay, got it. Okay.
First, you have to make as a company code currency. Then you have to choose as a BSEC currency backend. Okay, clear, right?
No, can you scroll to the right where you are having the BSEC currency as the last one? The third currency here, that depends on the ACDOCA currency there?
Yes, what you give here, then only it will appear. If I give 40, then only I can choose 40 here.
Okay. Okay.
You got it, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Tirthesh, you have anything to ask? Yeah.
yeah, if you come right side, the three currencies we give there just to appear in BSEC table, right?
Yes, BSEC, yes.
Okay, just to appear in BSEC. We don't have any
Yes.
other reasons to give the currency here.
Yes, and these three currency will also get integrated to asset accounting also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, good. Now let us go and check in the BSEG. BSEG. So in BSEG, document currency value, document currency value, document currency, company code currency. Okay, that is 10, you know it. Then second FI currency. This is first FI currency. This is first FI currency. First FI currency is nothing but company code currency. See, I'm speaking this language. Okay, see this one. First FI currency, second FI currency, third FI currency. So our first FI currency is company code currency. Second FI currency is our group currency. So that what I'm writing here. Okay, then group currency. Okay, that is 30. It is our second FI currency, or I can write this way, easiest way. Okay, first FI currency. Let me write this way, it will be more easy. First FI currency is our company code currency. Okay, company code currency, that is our 10. 10 is equal to, in our scenario it is USD. I'm posting US80, that is my USD currency. Second FI currency, our scenario you have chosen as a group currency as our second FI currency, that is 30, and that is also USD. Okay, only these two currency value we have chosen. Third currency is blank for us. Third FI currency we have chosen as a blank. We have not updated as of now. Okay, Now let us understand their technical field name, because in BSEG other will get confused. Okay, so technical field name is, remember this one, document currency technical field name is WWR WRBTR. Okay, this is the technical field name. Like in ACDOCA, we have KSL, HSL, OSL. Okay, so in BSEG, document currency technical field name is WRBTR. First FI currency DMBTR. Okay, then second is DMBE2. Okay, then third currency, if you are using in case third FI currency, then this is the one. Okay, this is the technical field name. Now let us go and observe it. Now go and post in the BSEG table. Go to BSEG. BSEG. Give company code. Company code. Give your document number. Give document number. Okay. In the BSEG table, if you have watched my video which I have sent, it will not post the documented ledger wise. Okay. It will show only two line item, debit and credit. Only entry view it will show, not GL view. Come here. Okay, so only debit and credit it is showing. Now come here. See here. Here also you have amount. Okay. You have amount. Amount in local currency. Amount. This is the document currency. This is the functional currency. And this is the GL account currency. You leave it. So as of now, what if saw two field? In local currency you saw and document currency you saw. Okay. Local currency and document currency. You can validate the field. Let me show in this way, then you'll understand. See, remove all other field. See, go here. Here tick mark is there, right? You remove from here. Click on this one. All got removed. Sorry. No, not here. Sorry, click this one. Deselect all. Okay, so all this got removed. Now give here company code. You select what you need. I need company code in the output. Give here, I need document number in the output. Okay, and select all those field. WRBTR. WRBTR. Okay, this is the document currency. Select this one. This is the document currency. Okay, now run only. Let's say document currency you want to see, run it. So this is the document currency it is showing. Okay, now select another one. You want first FI currency, that is company code currency. Technical field is DMBTR. Now control F, select DMBTR. So this is the amount in local currency, means amount in company code currency. Again run. So you got the value, amount in local currency, amount in document currency. Again go back. Again run for second FI currency, that is group currency, that is field is DMBE2. It is not N. DMBE2. DMBE2. Okay. Search it. DMBE2. Control F. DMBE2. Select this one. Okay. See, this is local currency 2. Local currency 3. Means it is FI currency 2. It is FI currency 3. Okay. I'm choosing this one also. This should come blank. DMBE3 should come blank, because here I have not assigned my third currency. I have not assigned here. Here I have not assigned my third currency. So DMBE3 should come blank. Okay, run it now. See, it is coming blank. So this is my local currency. This is my document currency. This is my group currency or second FI currency. This is my third FI currency. Is it clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Clear, Rabi, this one?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes, sir, it is clear. I have one question. Can you please go to the FINSC ledger, please?
Here, yes.
Initially, can you please go to the currency, not the currency type, you created two custom, one Z5 and Z6.
Here I have created, yeah.
And Z5, you declared that as a global one by scrolling to the right.
G5. G5 company. This we declared
Oh,
as a global. G6.
Z6 is yeah. So
Yeah.
now the question I have is for Z5 and Z6, you checked that checkbox. Now, for the other currencies, can you please go to the top where we are having the company code currency 10?
Company code currency 10. 10.
Yeah, for this, what you will be having on the right side? It will be blank.
This will be by default, it will come. This will
Oh,
not be doing anything. It will be
okay.
by default.
That will be disabled. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it will be by default, it will come. 30 you can change. 30, depending on the need, you can change it. Okay, 30. 30 will be able to change. 10 will not be able to change. 10 by default, it will be there. But other 30, 40, and wherever this plain currency you are getting like this, these are material ledger. Okay. These are for the material ledger. So once you activate the material ledger, then only it will come. So let's say you are implementing and you are not able to see this 11, 12, 31, 32, 41, 42. Then you have to remember that material ledger configuration is not done correctly. Okay. Just
Yeah,
I'm giving you hint. So it will be good for you. Yeah. So no doubt, right, in this one. Is it clear, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you can't see here if I run a BSEG, if you go in the BSEG, so let's say I'm selecting all, and one side I'm running ACDOCA, one side I'm running BSEG. See here, ACDOCA, US80, and document number. Run it. See the Z5 and Z6 currency, Turkey and Euro. See this Z5 and Z6 currency, these are our custom currency, and these are their value. These are their value. You cannot find this in the BSEC table. Nowhere you'll find. Just observe it. If you find anywhere, let me know. Then we'll see. Okay, selected all. Run it. Please check anywhere Turkey currency and Euro currency you are able to see anywhere. Not able to see. There is no. So user defined currency you cannot say in the BSEC table, because user defined currency you cannot use as a BSEC currency in the setup. First currency, second currency, and third currency. As a result, it will not update. See here, something came. Yeah, it will not update. Clear, right? No doubt, correct in this one. As a consultant, you are understanding, correct?
Yes.
This is one of the table you have to remember. FinSC underscore LD underscore CMP. Okay, now if you don't have question, then let me. Okay, so today what we did, we posted from FB50, we have posted yesterday. Today we posted FB01. We understood what is single screen look, how double screen looks. So it's up to you. Either you're comfortable of using FB50 or FB01. Even F-02 is also given. So all this does same thing. Today I'm going to post one more document called ledger specific document. Now see here, if you are not specifying any ledger, it is what it is doing. It is posting to all the ledger. It is posting to leading ledger also. It is posting to non-leading ledger also. But now I want to post only in one ledger. Okay, I want to post only one single ledger. Then you have to use T code called FB50L.